Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Canva and loading the two pages you want to place side by side. You need matching dimensions, so set both pages to the same size. This prevents stretching or gaps. Once done, turn on rulers and guides from the View menu so you can snap elements precisely. Now create a new blank page, sized to hold both designs side by side. For example, double the width, and prepare to copy content across without losing alignment. Next, you move the content. Select all elements on your first page with Ctrl or CMD+A, group them if multiple pieces need to stay together, and copy. Paste into the left half of the wider canvas, then repeat for the second page into the right half. Make sure to use Snap to Guides and the Align tools to keep consistent margins. For text-heavy layouts, check baseline alignment. If sizes differ, scale uniformly by dragging a corner, while finally inspect the combined layout. Zoom to 100% and confirm margins, bleeds, and visual balance. If you're printing, add a 1/8-inch bleed and enable crop marks and bleed when exporting as PDF. For digital use, export as a single PNG or PDF. If elements move unexpectedly, undo and re-enable Snap to Guides, or use the position fields in the top toolbar to enter exact X/Y coordinates. One key tip: lock layers once placed to prevent accidental shifts during final tweaks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.